Hello, I'm Zach, and this is Dreamedia's Man Cave Makeover. We have received submissions from all around the country of the ugliest home theaters in America.
My name is Taylor Nelson. I'm going to show you my man cave.
My name is Jeff Harney. I'm looking for an opportunity to get an update on my man cave.
This is the future spot for my home theater, but as you can see, it's pretty ugly.
Nice projector stand.
This is where all of the old electronics go.
This is the current status of my home theater.
Follow along as we help this military family from Colorado Springs convert their spare bedroom into a media powerhouse. Today, I am going to be introducing the lucky winner of the Dreamedia Man Cave Makeover. Kim is the mother to Darren, who was injured in a horrific work accident where he was crushed underneath a piece of hydraulic machinery by a coworker and broke his back. Next, Kim will cover all the details on the incident.
My name is Kim Berry. I happened to walk in when Darren was watching some YouTubes, and Dreamedia is what he was watching. And it was the contest for the man cave. And he said, wow, wouldn't that be awesome to do this, to have this. And so I just took a picture of the submission information on the screen, of the TV without him really knowing. And I did a video and I submitted. Hello, Dreamedia. I am submitting this video on behalf of my son, who broke his back in July of 2020. He was in the midst of redoing this room so that he could have an office space and a media room. You can see it has all come to a halt. We are at 1.5 years of him being incapacitated, and if this room was done, it would give him another area of our home to enjoy his life, be able to get a job from home, and be comfortable in his surroundings. I sure hope that you consider this for Darren. It would give him a great purpose, put some light back in his eyes. Thank you, Dreamedia, for your consideration.
There were a lot of candidates for our team to choose from, but as you can hear, this story was very touching. I have personally had to deal with back injuries myself over the years and can relate to how difficult it can be to recover from an injury and the toll it takes on someone mentally.
Darren is pretty much confined to bed or a chair in his bedroom. His room is upstairs, so it's very hard for him to maneuver the stairs. It originally happened in 2015 when he was at work, Sean, and he was under a big hydraulic machine that had a commercial lawnmower on top of it. He was underneath taking some bolts off so that they could get the blades sharpened. Coworker, he thought he was letting the bucket down on the lawnmower, when in fact he let the hydraulic down. And Darren got crushed. That was the worst day of our lives. That took him about 1.5 years. He's had issues since then, but he's been very, very careful. Then it was a simple thing. July 5th, 2021, our dogs got into it. He lifted her up, and that was it. He picked her up and he rebroke everything and some. It is physical therapy, pain management. This past month, we've gone to the ER 4 times. because now the pain is radiating into the chest area. And we're thinking a pinched nerve, and he needs a couple of MRIs for that. But for him to physically get up, get down the stairs, get into the car, get out, get in, and then to lay flat, to have the MRIs done, it is just physically excruciating for him. And he knows that he needs to have this done, but he knows when it's done that he's going to be in so much pain. So it's just not anything to look forward to. There is nothing positive right now. I see people doing things physically, just as simple things as, walking up the street. He really can't do that. And he definitely can't do it alone. We used to go to the movies. For him to sit in a movie theater, there's no way. Hiking, of course, we can't even think about that. Just did a lot of things together. He's my buddy. He calls me his best friend. I'll just sit in his room and cry sometimes because it's like, why have you done this? Why, God? Just heal him, make him better. I lose my faith, but Darren brings me back. He brings me back, and he's the one that is contending. He's my rock sometimes. I pray that if God could give it to me, I would take it in a heartbeat.
Darren has always had a passion for home theater and is even a Dreamedia YouTube subscriber. Darren began renovating the spare bedroom into a home theater to provide himself with some respite. However, because of his limitations, the project was shelved.
He wanted to make an extra room. It's adjacent to his bedroom, so he just has to get up and walk not even 10 feet so that he can be comfortable in a media room. And he has got a great friend who is a master electrician. And so we have most everything that needs to be done in regards to getting that room complete. With him, doing the detailing, which he's not doing, that is what was going to fund his media room. And now there is no funding because he is just more or less kind of existing, hoping for the best. This would be the utmost dream for Darren right now in his life, where he is at. This would be life-changing for him. And I think if Darren had something like this, the mental status, what a big factor it would be for him. It would give him a purpose. He would have something to look forward to doing. He would not be confined to the bed in his bedroom, to the chair in his bedroom. And if he decided he wanted to work from home, then he would have the resources, most definitely, to do it. Because this might be the rest of his life. He would be grateful, grateful, grateful beyond. There's just not enough words to express how this would help him in every manner of his current life status.
The more that we heard Darren's story, the more that we learned that this family really needed our help. And that's why we're here.
That is Darren when he was not so innocent. He was an ornery guy, but with a big heart. That's him with his niece. We were out hiking. We love the outdoors, and I do miss my hiking buddy. This picture is a Darren doing one of our first detailings in June of 2021, right about a month prior to breaking his back. We had our grand opening on July 4th, and he broke his back on July 5th. That is Darren right before the injury. That's his personality. That is the personality that we are missing. He's just a funny guy. He is so funny. This is current Darren. When we have a company or a family get together, he will come downstairs. That was last New Year's Eve. He did wander down and put on a Happy New Year hat for a bit, but he's always wearing a TENS unit. A TENS unit is electrodes that it's 4 pads that he wears on his back, and he has to wear it consistently. He even sleeps with it. and it eases the discomfort in the muscles and the breaks in his back.
Wow.
Yeah.
As you can hear from Kim's story, this family has been through a physical and emotional nightmare. We want to help this family see the light at the end of the tunnel by giving Darren a place to enjoy while in recovery. Now it's time to surprise Kim with the Dreamedia Man Cave Makeover Grand Prize. All right, guys, we are out here at Barnes & Noble and we are about to go inside and surprise the customer. I got this banner right here. We are going to get her reaction, as well as after we're done, we're then gonna take you to the customer's home, the contestant's home, and show the room as well as the son's reaction. This mom, best mom ever, submitted this video for her son that broke his back. I can't wait to see your reaction. Let's get in there, guys. Congratulations, Kim. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh my.
So your story definitely spoke to us. So you're excited, to say the least.
I cannot believe this. Darren is going to be ecstatic. This will be. You just don't even know. You don't even know what this is going to be for you.
Come here.
Oh, thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is the first time we've done anything like this. I'm just so touched by your story and can't wait to change his life.
You just don't even know. I mean, this is going to change his life so dramatically until he can fully heal. And this will definitely give him the boost that he needs right now. And from a mother's perspective, I would do anything for him. And I'm so grateful to Dreamedia for this and helping this happen for Darren. Thank you so much. Thank
no
you
problem.
so much.
We can't wait to go surprise
my
him
God.
next. Here, take your
Okay.
banner.
Oh my God. This is fantastic. Darren, Barry, you are the winner, honey. You are so deserving of this. I just can't wait for this to happen for you. He'll be thanking you for the rest of his life. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm just at a loss for words. And
Well-
usually that's not me.
Well, let's do it, guys.
Okay,
Let's go
do it.
meet Darren and see his reaction.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It was a pleasure and an honor to meet Kim and present her with the grand prize. We're on our way to the Berry family home to surprise Darren.
Steve, I need these things moved.
Congratulations, Darren!
Are you kidding me?
I am not.
I know you.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. You are our winner.
Can I give you a hug?
Get in here. Absolutely.
Holy cow. Hey guys. Oh my God, I got to sit. Wow.
So while you're soaking all this in, I'll give you a little recap of what's going on here. We have some of my favorite manufacturers participating in this giveaway. We have over $60,000 in home theater equipment that has been donated from Salamander, Valencia Seating, Marantz, SDS, Focal, Kaleidoscape, the ultimate movie player, and they've preloaded a ton of the industry, the best, latest and greatest movies for you. We got the new Epson LS800 from Epson and a Acoustics.
Holy crap.
And I am personally gonna renovate your entire room and turn it into your dream makeover.
This is insane. Woo. Talk to her about this. I showed her this
She
video.
told us. She's the reason that you won.
I couldn't do it because of my situation and my back and stuff, and I told her and showed her the video and didn't even know she did it. That's just insane.
You got one heck of a mom.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You are so
I'll tell you what, I'm excited for the chair out of those because of my back.
The lumbar support. These are, it's the Oslos.
I mean, I'm excited for it all, but man, I haven't been able to sit in the room because I've gained so much weight since I broke my back that I can't really fit in that chair up there. I mean,
It's just not comfortable.
this is just a dream come true. I've been in bed for 16 months now.
Yep.
We're going to bring the world right back into where it was.
We're gonna give you some motivation to get back out.
This is insane. I've just been like so down, you know.
I know.
And for this to just come true, I really appreciate everybody. I can't say thank you enough. Like, this is just insane. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. We can't wait to get started.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
so cool. Yeah, do you guys want to see it?
Yeah, absolutely. It was inspiring to see how emotional and how much it meant to the Berry family to receive this grand prize. Thank you all again for your submissions to the Dreamedia Man Cave Makeover. Come along with us into the following weeks as we renovate Darren's unfinished, ugly spare bedroom into his fantasy man cave. We can't wait to get started.